Hi and welcome to Reviews, Fixes and Hacks, and what I've got here in front of me is an ESI wireless thermostat. It's wireless, the receiver is connected to the actual combi boiler itself, and it's controlled, the temperature controls are via this device. Now the model number for this you can see is right there. Now the purpose of me doing this video is to show you how to use this device in the manual mode wirelessly. So I've got this connected, so you can see that this device is opentherm, and I've actually got this connected to the boiler in that function. So it is wired so that the opentherm facility is active. Now when the opentherm facility is active, you cannot control the temperature of the water or the central heating system via the controls on the boiler. It has to be controlled via this device. Now to do that, basically you can see here I've got it set to manual mode, so it's just a toggle switch. Put it into manual mode. Now that there is the temperature of the room right now. This is the set temperature I've got, or the desired temperature that I want it at. Now the boiler is currently off. You know when the boiler's on when you see a flame there. Now just here, just above that little signal, you can see that's your this is showing. So when that flashes, it's communicating with the receiver connected to the boiler. Now if I up the temperature, so I'll show you how this works. So if I put it to 24.5, well, that is higher. You'll see that signal come on and the flame goes on. That is now showing that the boiler is turned on. So the flame of the boiler will be on and it's warming the house up, and it will warm it to 24.5. So once that gets to 24.5, it will modulate the gas and maintain that temperature at 24.5. Now it's quite a warm day, so we're going to turn it back off. So I'll put it back down, and now you'll see the flame go. You'll see that communicates, the flame will disappear, so the boiler is now off. Now the next thing I need to show you is, as I said a little while ago, you cannot control the temperature of the central heating or the temperature of the water via the controls on the boiler. So how do I control? I mean, it's simple enough to control your central heating by these dials. So the higher you put the temperature set on here, the higher or the hotter the system will run until it gets closer and closer to the temperature that you set there. So that's simple enough. But what about the water? How do I control the temperature of the water? Now to do that, you will toggle this switch to off. There you go. Once you go to off, you click on the A and H button, and then you will hold that. So if I click A and H and then hit that button, there you go. So now you've got this facility. Now I will toggle. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That function there is showing me that the facility to control the hot water temperature via this device is on. Now the temperature I've got it set at is 37. Now I can change that setting by going up or down. Now because the weather here so far is quite warm, I've put it down because we're in summer, so I'll put it down to 37. I'll just put it up to 38. Once you've done that, you can actually click home, put it back to manual, and your water temperature set. Now you might be wondering, what are these functions here? So on means my opentherm for my central heating is turned on. Number 2, now off the top of my head I can't remember exactly which one's which. One of those is to do with the water temperature going into the boiler, water temperature coming out of the boiler. This must be going in, to be honest. The other one must be coming out. And that, oh, sorry, let me go back to it. I've skipped it a bit. So on water temperature, I think that's going in, coming out. Forgot really what that was, but there's my temperature control for hot water, set at 38, back to number 1. Just click on that, toggle it back to manual, and that's it. It's set. So your water temperature is now set, or my one in this case is set at 38. I hope this helps anyone with one of these on, and it's connected via opentherm, on how to use this in manual mode to set your water temperature particularly. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.